Brise Toronto presents itself as a stylish local fashion store with big promotions and trendy pieces. But the real question is it actually a legit local boutique or just another questionable online shop using a Toronto label? Here's the reality. What it claims to be. At first glance, Brise looks like a local Toronto fashion brand, often advertising closing sale or moving sale discounts boutique-style clothing, a local business identity. That sounds trustworthy, but this is where things start to fall apart. Major red flags. 1. Extremely new website. The domain for Brise Toronto was created very recently, April 2026. That's a huge warning sign for a store claiming to be an established local boutique. 2. Blacklist and scam signals. The site has already been flagged on scam detection systems and linked to suspicious activity. 3. Local store with no real footprint. There's no verifiable physical fashion store in Toronto clearly tied to Brise, which is unusual for a local boutique. So, is Brise Toronto real or fake? Short answer, very likely not a legitimate local store. It looks like a real boutique, but behaves like a temporary, high-risk online shop. Bottom line, Brise Toronto isn't clearly proven to be a scam, but it checks almost every major red flag. Brand new website that no real local presence. Suspicious trust signals, aggressive closing sale marketing. That combination usually points to a fake or highly unreliable fashion store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.